Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Quana if you are new here, and today I'm going to be showing y'all my face shaving routine on my acne prone skin. So today I am using Gel Razor. You can check out Gel Razor by looking at my description box below for the link, but I love this kit. They have starter kits that come with a razor, a replaceable razor that you can use for your eyebrows, a microfiber towel, and a shaving guide. So if you're nervous about it, there's a whole guide that'll show you exactly what to do. So for me, I like to start by cleansing my face. This was my New Year's Eve makeup. So I use cold cream, and then I also use CeraVe as like a gentle cleanser before I start. And then I also like to use aloe vera gel from Trader Joe's as like my skin protectant. It's not necessarily required that you use something like that, but I just prefer it. And then yeah, you just get started. What I really love about these razors is that they're very gentle on the skin, and you pretty much just need to hold your skin taut and then shave in the direction of your hair growth. That will be the most gentle on your skin, and as you can see with me doing this, I'm instantly seeing like a glow with my skin. So that is another reason that I love this. I know a lot of people have questions about if this will make your hair grow back more thick or if it's going to grow back darker. I have not personally experienced that, and I've been shaving my face for about a year now. I do have acne prone skin, so if you are like me and have acne prone skin, you will need to be careful to make sure that you're not going over like any open wounds or anything like that. But I do notice a drastic difference in the overall brightness of my skin after using these, so definitely recommend that. And yeah, I'm pretty much done at this point. I use CeraVe again to just cleanse my skin, and then I moisturize with some moisturizer from Shea Moisture, and then I'm good to go. My skin is baby soft. Let me know if you're going to try this. Leave a comment down below, and make sure that you subscribe before you leave.